I'm Stephen Jack Butella.
And I'm Jill DeWitt.
We are the founders of Land Academy.
We provide the education, tools, and support you need to be flipping property like the pros.
Over the years, many individuals have asked to learn from Jill and I on a one-on-one personalized basis in a specific environment.
We saw this by creating Land Academy Career Path a few months ago, and now we are so excited to be announcing round 2.
We are going to be personally working with a hand-selected group of 15 individuals and tailoring a custom program to fit each of your individual needs professionally.
Career Path is for beginners or experienced investors. We can help you start a business or grow an existing one. Remember, it's personalized for you.
This is a 10-week virtual program allowing for 15 attendees and run by Jill and I personally. It all starts June 30th.
I don't know about you, but I am overwhelmed by the response that we got from the first session, and I can't wait to do this
And
again.
it's a blast to teach.
That too.
So where can you sign up?
Enrollment is open now, and details are available at landacademy.com/career path.
And we aren't just taking anyone. There's a brief application process.
We want to make sure you're a good fit and set up to succeed. At the end of the program, you will be added to the Land Academy Advanced Group, get front of the line deal funding, and a special Career Path members only phone and text line just for you. Don't forget, limited to 15 people only. If this sounds like you, check out more information at landacademy.com/career path. With only 15 spots available, you want to get your application in today.
You are not alone in your real estate ambition.